good.
He is mathematics teacher, but he can speak English very well.
That's a
How
good.
many students
Đây là thứ mày
speak
em.
We study English since Prathom 1, grade 1. But the student we can speak English just a little bit from grade 4 to grade 6. Yes, but they are not that much that good. Yeah, they just speak out a simple vocabulary, simple sentence. Yes.
But you very good because English, for my opinion,
He's good.
yeah,
He is good too. Surprised because he every day we talk and he always asks me about the vocabulary, how to speak this word every day.
Yeah, you know, it's communication.
She tell me.
They understand our
Yeah.
English.
And I don't worry about grammar.
Yeah, don't worry.
I concentrate about how to communicate to others.
Wonderful. That's it. Like me. No matter now. No matter now, 17 years, I have my job. I work good, and I still only communicate with them. I did talk about really good grammar, but my son, he learned that. But
Yes.
it's okay because he used it, and people understand. My accent is still Thai.
If they learn English, they can go almost anywhere in
Yes,
the
I
world.
always told them every day. I want them to be abroad because I want them to see the worldwide.
Right.
Yes, the different country, different culture. Yes, and
Wonderful.
English is a good language that I went to America
Oh,
3 months for work and travel.
Work and travel?
Yes, at
What
the
year?
YMCA,
What
Colorado.
Colorado.
Yeah,
That's
very beautiful. Essex Park.
Yeah,
I love
know.
it. Yes.
Are you go same the girl from here? Her name Phon.
No, I don't know.
Oh no,
Yes,
different.
I went there around 10 years.
10
years
years.
ago.
We go
Yeah.
to
But my friends still live in America.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know.
But I have family here, so I don't go.
But I'm very proud of you.
Thank you.
Yes. Because if you think about them and you came back.